Hello, this is Ufoma again. Today I want to show you how to create a public subnet and a private subnet. Now the difference between a public subnet and a private subnet is which one has the route table associated with an internet gateway. So by the way things work, when you create your VPC, in your VPC you will have subnets, and in those subnets you decide which route table you will associate your subnets to. So if you have two subnets, subnet A and subnet B, and you associate subnet A to route table 1, and you associate subnet B to route table 2, and then you go ahead to associate the internet gateway to route table 1, you've effectively made subnet A a public subnet, while subnet B will be a private subnet because there is no internet gateway associated with subnet B. Let's just go ahead and create subnets. So under Virtual Private Cloud, you hit subnet and come down up to your right and hit create subnet, and you select a VPC where you want your subnet to be created, and then we give a subnet a name. And then we select an availability zone. Let's choose US East 1A, and then we give an IPR and IPv4 CIDR block address. In this case, associated VPC is on 192.0.0/16, so we'll give 192.0. Let's say .9.0, and then under your tag, always use name, and then we'll give it a name. So it's already done that for us. So we hit create subnet. Now this subnet is created, but it's not associated with any route table. So under route tables, you come to route tables under your Virtual Private Cloud. You click route table. You wait for it to load. So here I have a public route table that I named public route table simply because I have the internet gateway associated with this public route table. Select your public route table, or select your route table. So come down to routes, and here in the route you'll see that there is an internet gateway associated. This effectively makes all the subnets that are in your subnet associations tab public subnets. So if I want to make this newly created subnet, which is here, my test subnet, a public subnet, all I need to do is to edit subnet associations and then select my preferred subnet and hit save associations. So if you come to subnet associations, you'll see my test subnet, meaning this subnet with this IP address is effectively a public subnet. If I create a second subnet and I do not associate it with the route table that has an internet gateway, that effectively makes that subnet a private subnet. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn more, hit the like button, subscribe, and put a comment below to let me know what you want me to create next. I like short videos because I like going straight to the point to teach you what you need to know. Thank you. Bye.